Ferrotec is a global company that manufactures and sells high-tech components focusing on the semiconductor market. In the semiconductor equipment-related business segment, we provide material products used in jigs and supplies for semiconductor manufacturing equipment. We also provide vacuum feed-throughs, parts cleaning services, and more. Another of our core business segments is the electronic device business segment, where we provide temperature control devices, both thermoelectric modules and power semiconductor substrates, which are seeing tremendous market growth. Our corporate mission is satisfaction for our customers, earth-friendly and environmentally conscious, and dreams and vitality for our society. We want to earn the trust and satisfaction of our customers, to help solve the world's environmental problems, and to contribute to society through manufacturing. We strive to achieve harmony with society while maintaining a global perspective, supplying products and services that improve the lives of all people. Markets closely linked to our business include the WFE market for front-end semiconductor manufacturing equipment and the global semiconductor market. We expect to see sustained medium and long-term growth in all of these markets. In the future, there is also high potential for growth in the markets for electric vehicles and automated vehicles, which also use thermoelectric modules and power semiconductor substrates from our electronic device business segment. For many years, Ferrotec has steadily performed as a company thanks to the core technologies and products that support our niche leader strategy. Our core technology, ferrofluid, a magnetic fluid developed for the NASA space program by our former US parent company, is applied in one of our core products, vacuum feed-throughs. Another core technology, the thermoelectric module, is used as temperature control devices in a wide range of industries. We continue to maintain the top market share for all of these products, and they are the foundation of our business operations. Since Ferrotec was established in 1980 as the Japanese subsidiary of a US-based company, we have grown by actively carrying out M&As. In 1992, we were at the forefront of expansion into China, which further contributed to our growth. Through effective M&As related to our core product line of material products used in jigs and supplies for semiconductor manufacturing equipment, we have advanced in our development of materials and production technologies, primarily in Japan, and significantly grown our business, especially in China. We are a global company whose main clients consist of device manufacturers and semiconductor equipment manufacturers, with some of the most advanced technologies in the world. As part of our global strategy, we have numerous production sites in China, whose market is expected to see the greatest amount of future growth. This is one of our company's strengths. We will also be enhancing our research and development and expanding our production sites in Japan, the US, Europe, and Southeast Asia in order to meet the rising need for semiconductor markets around the world. The headquarters of Ferrotec Holdings and its principal subsidiary, Ferrotec Material Technologies Corporation, is located in Nihonbashi, Tokyo. Our main production sites are located in the prefectures of Ishikawa, Hyogo, Okayama, Chiba, and Yamagata. Furthermore, given the forecasts for rising demand in Japan, especially in the semiconductor market, we will also create a semiconductor equipment-related production site in Kumamoto Prefecture. In the future, we will continue to leverage our strengths in Japan to enhance our R&D functions and expand our production capacity.